Hello, my beautiful people. Let me get my glasses on so I can actually see what I'm doing. I'm going to do my unboxing of the Witch's Casket. I got this box because my friend Navigator gets it. She highly recommended it. The box smells really good, and it comes from the UK, so the box itself is not that expensive, but shipping always is touchy when you're thinking about international shipping. But I'm not a witch, but I have watched her unbox this box 2 months in a row, and in both boxes there was stuff that I would have loved. So let's crack it open, shall we? Right, this is the first box I've ever gotten, although I've watched videos about them. So the very first thing is this November's box. You get a wee bookie, and what does it tell you? Right, it tells you what's in it, so you know my policy, I don't read that first. Then you get a card. Monthly manifestations. Isn't that cool? Oh, and then you get like a notebook. Oh, these people knew I was an English professor and I liked being a weekly planner. That is going to go right over here, right by my desk. All right, then, oh, card of the day. It's like a little board where you can put your card on that you pulled for that day. Oh, it's like burned in. Is that the thing that smells good? What's next? Daily Gratitude Ritual Kit. Contains everything you need to show gratitude and manifest good fortune. I'm loving this box. Little bags and boxes and things to write on. What's in here? Oh. There's a daily gratitude ritual that you follow. And then a daily, I guess you write on here and you put the things that you're grateful for. Oh, and there's a cute little pen. They know that I'm an English professor. They know it. That's why they sent me this cool box. And then a little candle, a little spell candle. I'm assuming that white is significant. Well, that is super groovy. Totally doing that. Like right up my alley. Writing. Alright, what's next? Oh, now it's telling me that you get these series of little pins. So that's the pin. And you get Daily Awareness Deck. I mean, I haven't at all vetted these cards or put my energy in them, but let's check them out. I'm just going to pull one randomly. Ask Spirit to give me one randomly. All right, Spirit, pick a card for me. I know I didn't, bless these cards or anything, but give me a card to look at. Cards aren't giving anything up because I don't have any energy in them. There we go. Got two. No, I got one. Notice the positive. Then I guess you put this on that thing. As you go through your day, you are achieving lots of small things that go by unnoticed. Notice them today. The small daily milestones you usually don't show gratitude for need to be recognized. From that smile you give to a stranger that changes their mood to that mundane task you completed, give gratitude to yourself. You matter. That's really cool. These are very cool. A magical deck to raise awareness, encourage self-love, gratitude, and intuition. Pull a card a day to encourage you to better appreciate yourself and the world around you. Legit, very cool. Very cool. All right. What's this? Oh, they always send some kind of stone. So this is a black tourmaline, which is awesome. And it's a stone for grounding and cleansing your aura. Totally need that. Totally need that. Oh, there's a lot in this box. Next we have an altar atomizer. No idea what that is. Oh, I don't know what it is, but I love it. Look how cool that is. And you pray. I don't know what you put in here, but I want to know what you put in here. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to find out. What else is in here? This is like a great box. It's got so much in it. Witch Casket. This is a thing that I'm not able to open. I don't know how you open it. Oh, it's a little spoon. Oh, to make tea. So tea bags. Daily Witch's Brew Kit. Stir clockwise to attract, counterclockwise to banish. And there's like a little thing in here. I don't have any idea what you do with this, but I like that little spoon. Magic lies within. That's what the little canister says. Hestia, don't you always say that? Then there's paper. The cool sticker. Afraid to open the cool sticker. And then my friend Nab told me she likes to get these boxes because they always have different incense. This is cleansing incense. Oh, and that is what I've been smelling. Oh, I wish there was smell-o-vision, because then you could smell this, and it really does smell good. There's some packing peanuts in here that my cats are going to love playing with. Wow, that's a lot of stuff in a box. I'm afraid of this sticker. I'm afraid I'm going to rip this paper. I should tell them they need to send mine with a paper clip. I can't get the sticker off. And what do we do? It's like a parchment. It's like an important paper. Simple daily magic. Set your intentions, stir up some magic, be mindful, enchant your clothing and jewelry, carry a key, shower away all your stress, and pull a card. So, that's cool. Well, this is legit a very cool box. I'm not gonna lie. This thing. That's cool. It's like an apple. That's legit cool. All of this stuff is really cool. Like, I have no regrets. Nav, this is a good box. I am going to miss Goddess Provisions, but honestly, this box is better than Goddess Provisions, which I never thought I'd ever say. Wow. Wow! I'm going to put a link below so you can get your own Witch's box. Casket box. I'm going to read this book. Card of the Day, Daily Awareness Tech, Altar Atomizer, Daily Witch's Brew Kit. Oh, the little tin inside that can has a joyous blend of orange peel and rose petals. And you brew with intent and state the following. Vibrations are raised by this joyous brew. I will spread joy and attract it too. Steep for 2 to 5 minutes and drink mindfully. Magical art print. I didn't see an art print. I don't think I got the magical art print. I think I got everything but the print. Oh no, this is the print. Okay, that's the print. I think. This must be the print. And it is adorable. All right. This is so awesome. I'm super impressed. And I'm glad that I subscribed. All right. Be well. Take care. I will catch you later. Bye-bye.